And here it is, the fully electric BMW iX3. This car has taken efficient dynamics to the next level. When we engineered this vehicle, our focus was on achieving an attractive range. And at the same time, we are setting the benchmark in terms of efficiency. The iX3 offers a range of more than 500 kilometers in the new European driving cycle and 460 kilometers according to WLTP. And of course, it drives like a real BMW. This creates a sweet spot for our customers. The balance of low energy consumption and 150 kilowatt fast charging is perfect for every distance and also for long journeys. Our advanced battery technology makes all of this possible. For us, it's always about simplifying our customers' lives. And that is why we created BMW Charging. In Europe, that means access to well over 150,000 charging points, and worldwide, at least double that amount. This is the most comprehensive charging network available. And we have also included a new app that recommends charging stops on long routes, showing the estimated charging time required. BMW Charging is one of the many digital innovations that we have developed for our customers. The BMW iX3 features our latest BMW operating system 7. This enables secure and convenient over-the-air updates. This means your system is always up to date. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about sound. Together with one of the world's most famous music composers, Hans Zimmer, we created the BMW iconic sounds for our electric vehicles. Just press the button and you will be surrounded by the full emotional thrill of electromobility. What a sound! I really like it. And you can look forward to even more BMW iconic sounds in the future. Ladies and gentlemen, at BMW, we are fully committed to climate protection and sustainable mobility. Our aspiration is to provide sustainable driving pleasure for our customers, no matter where they are around the world. And I promise you, there will be many more exciting emission-free vehicles to come. So stay tuned. Thank you for joining us today, and please enjoy some more pictures of the BMW iX3.